Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're diving into a product that promises to rescue your hair from the damages of bleach and color treatments. Let's talk about Celeb Luxury's Moisturizing Hair Conditioner Mask, the BondFix Bond Rebuilder. If you've been struggling with brittle, over-processed hair, this could be the solution you've been looking for. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews like this one. Now, let's get into the details. This product is a liquid hair mask designed specifically for people with damaged hair, especially those who have bleached or color-treated hair. It's a deep conditioner that works to strengthen and hydrate, using a unique BondFix technology to rebuild and reinforce hair bonds. The formula is vegan, so it's also great for those who prefer cruelty-free options in their beauty routine. The main benefit of this hair mask is its ability to counteract the effects of bleach and color treatments. Over time, it's meant to make your hair stronger and healthier with continued use. It's a treatment that goes beyond a typical conditioner by focusing on rebuilding hair structure, which is a must-have for anyone trying to revive damaged strands. After using it for a few weeks, I can honestly say that the mask feels luxuriously thick, but isn't too heavy. I found that it spread easily through my hair, which is great because it means I didn't need to use a ton of product to cover all of my strands. It has a nice scent, not too overpowering, which is perfect for a deep conditioning product. In terms of application, I followed the instructions. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes after shampooing and rinse thoroughly. The results are immediate. My hair felt smoother, less frizzy, and noticeably shinier right after the first use. Over time, my hair started to feel stronger, which is exactly what I wanted from a product that targets damaged hair. Let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, this mask is incredibly effective at moisturizing and strengthening hair. It has a creamy, rich texture that coats the hair well, leaving it feeling soft and nourished. It also doesn't weigh my hair down, which is something I always look for in a conditioner. On the flip side, one thing I noticed is that it does require a bit of time for the full benefit to show. It's not an instant fix. You need to be consistent with your use to see the best results. Also, the price point is a bit higher than your average conditioner, but given the quality of ingredients and the results, it could be worth the investment for those who need a serious solution for damaged hair. Now, is it a good value for money? This is a tricky one, because while the price is higher than some standard conditioners, the unique BondFix technology and the deep reparative qualities make it more than just a regular hair mask. For anyone who's been struggling with hair damage, I'd say it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a more intensive treatment that actually works. When comparing it to similar products on the market, there are a few hair masks that claim to do the same thing, but many don't offer the same bond rebuilding benefits. There are cheaper alternatives, but they often don't have the same depth of hydration or bond repairing power. For example, products like Olaplex No. 3 come close, but this one is vegan and seems to pack a bit more moisture into the formula. The key difference, however, is that Celeb Luxury's mask is targeted more at people who frequently bleach or color their hair. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and simple, with a secure cap that doesn't make a mess during application. The liquid is easy to dispense and control, which is a plus in the bathroom, where we're often dealing with slippery products. So after weeks of testing, I feel confident that this product lives up to its claims. It's ideal for anyone with heavily damaged color-treated hair looking for something to revive their strands. It helps restore strength and shine, and it's easy to incorporate into your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.